Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on WhatsApp notifications. This will help you stay up to date with your messages and never miss an important conversation. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the WhatsApp installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head over to your app store and download it. Now that we have installed WhatsApp, open the app and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. This will open to menu. In the menu, scroll down and you will find settings. Within the settings, you will see a list of options. Look for notifications and tap on it. You have now entered the notification menu. Here you can customize how WhatsApp notifies you about new messages. To ensure you never miss a message, make sure the show notification option is enabled. This will enable notifications for new messages. You can also customize notification sounds by tapping on notification tone. Choose the sound you prefer and you are all set. And there you have it, you have successfully turned on WhatsApp notifications. Now, whenever you receive a message, you will be notified, making it easier to stay connected with your friends and family. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. If you have any questions or need help with anything else, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.